The Northwood Calliger Clothes Wringer pulls far more moisture out of fabrics than typical compact washers or hand wringing, so clothes and towels dry noticeably faster. Its heavy steel construction, metal rollers, and corrosion-resistant finishes give it a rugged, long-lasting feel that suits both everyday use and demanding off-grid setups. The clever clamp system can be reconfigured to grip horizontal or vertical surfaces, making it easy to mount on tables, basins, or wash tubs in tight or improvised spaces. It handles everything from delicate garments to thick workwear, chamois towels, and sponges, which makes it useful for household laundry, car washing, and even professional jobs. Because it needs no electricity and packs down fairly compactly, it is an excellent fit for cabins, emergency kits, camping, and anyone wanting a reliable manual backup to powered machines. The included lifetime replacement support from the manufacturer adds confidence that this wringer is built to be a long-term, dependable tool rather than a disposable gadget.